Welcome back to Undoubtme. This is the second question in the series of 50 most important math questions for GCSE. So let us see what is given in this question. John ran a race at his school. The course was measured at 450 meters, correct to two significant figures. His time was given as 62 seconds to the nearest second. Calculate the difference between his maximum and minimum possible average speed. Now for this, the first thing what you should understand is what is the meaning of two significant figures. Two significant figures means if you see this 450 has two significant figures. Okay, so two significant figures can also be treated as, we can say it is to the nearest meter. Okay, over here. So I can just say that it will be 450 plus minus 0.5 meter. That will be the average distance. Now why I have taken 0.5? Because we are rounding it off to the nearest meter. Okay, so just for the sake of better understanding, if I will take the upper bound for this, it will be 450.5 and the lower bound will be 449.5. Any value in this range, if it is rounded off to the two significant figure, then in both cases we will get 450 only. So it means that we are good to go with these two, upper bound and lower bound values. Similarly, if I look at the other one, time is given as 62 seconds. This is distance. Time is given as 62 seconds to the nearest second, so means plus minus 0.5 seconds. So the upper bound value of time is 62.5 while the lower bound is 61.5 seconds. Okay, and in both the cases the round off value to the nearest second will be 62 only. Now calculate the difference between maximum possible average speed and minimum possible average speed. Now if I will find V average, which is maximum, okay, so for that I have to take, speed is distance over time, so I will be taking the maximum value for distance, which is the upper bound, while I will take the lower bound for time. Lower bound for time is 61.5. if we solve it, for 50.5 divided by 61.5, it comes out to be 7.325. I'm taking more places right now because I need more accurate answer. In the end we will do three significant figures. Now that is the max value. Now similarly, if I have to get the min value, so V average min, for that I have to take the upper bound of distance while I'll be taking lower bound for time. Okay, so lower bound, okay, we need minimum value, so for that I will be taking upper bound for time. So this value will be 449.5 divided by 62.5, and that comes out to be 7.192. Now they are asking difference between these two, so if I'll take the difference between both of them, then it will be 7.325 minus 7.192, and that difference will be equal to 0.133. This is already three significant figure, so we can leave our answer in this form. Now this is the difference between speed, so I should also use the units. It will be meter per second, so that will become our final answer, and you can just run through the whole video one more time for understanding it better. So this was from bounds. You can revise more questions on bounds to understand this topic better, and hopefully you are clear with this question.